Hey friends, so we finished Machine Operator and I showed you how this is a cool double book. This side is Machine Operator, you flip it and it's also Construction Worker. So let's see if maybe you want to be a construction worker for your occupation when you grow up. Let's see what a construction worker does. Here we go. Meet Michael. He is a construction worker. He helps build new buildings. That sounds like a fun job. Michael arrives at the construction site very early in the morning. It's still dark outside. Kind of like the machine operators. They got started on their work really early in the morning too. He changes into his work clothes. He wears heavy boots and a hard hat. Remember, we talked about that to keep your head safe in case there was ever anything falling or in the way, things that could hit you in the head, just by accident. The hat protects his head in case anything falls from high up. Thomas is the construction site manager. He tells everyone what to do each day. The team is building a new office for a veterinarian. Michael, new materials are arriving this morning. Can you start building the back wall with Clara? I want the rest of you to clear the rubble from the site. So rubble might be like any rocks or things that you need out of the way. The delivery truck arrives. Here is your new order of cement. Thank you. I'll help you unload it, says Michael. Thomas and the vet, Dr. Beth, are looking at the construction plan together. So they need it's almost like a map or a plan of how this building's going to get built and what you're going to do first, what you do second, what you do third, how big it's going to be, what it's going to look like. It's like the plan. Your new office will be ready soon, says Thomas. Clara is making cement. She mixes the powder with water in a special machine called a cement mixer. So cement, it looks like it's soft and gooey at first, but it's what you would use to build like a building or a road or things that are really hard, because all that gushy stuff gets hard after a while. Michael starts building the wall. He puts the cement in between the bricks to join them together. So in this case, they're using the cement as glue to keep all of these bricks together. He works quickly because the cement dries very fast. Michael and Clara work on the wall all morning. It takes a long time because they must make the wall neat and straight. You don't want any crooked, crazy walls. Don't use too much cement on this side, says Clara. Michael scrapes off the extra cement with a trowel. That's the tool he's using. Michael is making the windowsill. He saws the wood so that it's just the right size. Jacob is scooping up earth and old stones with a digger. He is driving backwards when suddenly, bang! Water shoots into the air. Jacob has reversed his digger into a water pipe. Oh my gosh. The water pipe has cracked. Michael, call the water company, Thomas shouts, and move the cement powder quickly. You don't want any of the cement to get ruined. Oh dear. Jacob wasn't very careful, I guess. Michael rushes into the office to call the water company. A pipe has cracked. Can you turn off the water supply? Asks Michael. Okay, we'll send someone to help you right away, says Anna, the water company operator. You gotta shut that water off so it stops spraying everywhere. The water has been turned off, but the construction site is muddy and wet. The team starts to clean up the mess. Is everyone all right? Asks Dr. Beth. Yes, everything will be fine. We'll get this sorted out in no time, says Michael. Soon, Paul and Ethan from the water company arrive. They have already turned off the water supply, and now they will fix that pipe. Thanks for coming so quickly. What a disaster, says Michael. No problem, but your digger driver might want to go to a driving class, laughs Paul. Yeah, I think so. The end. So we've learned a little bit about a machine operator and a construction worker. Two occupations where you definitely have to get up early, you have to wear a hard hat, and you get to make cool things like roads or buildings. So think about that. Think if you would like that to be your occupation someday. All right, friends, see you later. More occupations to come.